Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Remedial Tutorial Academy. In this math function lesson, we'll break down concepts step by step to make problem solving easy and clear. Let's get started. Now, in this lesson, we're going to talk about composite functions. So let's say that f of x is equal to 3x minus 4, and that g of x, let's say it's equal to x squared minus 3. What is f of g? Notice that this is different from f times g. If you see a closed circle, it's multiplication. It's 3x minus 4 times x squared minus 3. But if you see like an open circle, what it means is it's a composite function. One function is inside of another. G is inside of f. So this is equivalent to f of g of x. So how can we find f of g of x? Well, let's replace g. G is x squared minus 3. And notice that x squared minus 3 is inside of f. So we're going to have to replace x with x squared minus 3. So this is going to be 3 times x squared minus 3 minus 4. So now let's distribute the 3. So that's 3x squared minus 9 minus 4, which is 3x squared minus 13. Now what about g of f? How can we find the value of g of f? So this time, f is inside of g. So you can write it like this. That's an equivalent expression. Let's replace f of x with 3x minus 4. And now let's replace x with 3x minus 4. So we're going to take this and plug it into here. So instead of x squared minus 3, it's 3x minus 4 squared minus 3. 3x minus 4 squared is 3x minus 4 times 3x minus 4. So if we FOIL it, 3x times 3x, that's going to be 9x squared, and then 3x times negative 4, that's negative 12x. Negative 4 times 3x is also negative 12x, and then negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Negative 12 minus 12 is negative 24. 16 minus 3 is 13. So this is the value of g of f of x. Now let's say that f of x, let's say it's 5x plus 2. And now let's say that g of x is equal to x cubed minus 4. Evaluate this function, f of g of 2. How can we do so? So first, let's find the value of g of 2. So let's replace x with 2. This is going to be 2 raised to the third power minus 4. 2 times 2 times 2 3 times is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So g of 2 is 4. So f of g of 2 is equivalent to f of 4. And now we can take 4 and plug it into that equation. So it's 5 times 4 plus 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So that's how you can find the value of f of g of 2. So try this one. Evaluate g of f of negative 1. So first, evaluate f of negative 1. That's 5 times negative 1 plus 2. So make sure you're using this equation. That's negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3. So f of negative 1, we can replace it with negative 3. So now we're looking for g of negative 3, which we can plug into here. So it's negative 3 to the third power minus 4.
Is negative 27 minus 4. And so the final answer is negative 31. So that's how you can evaluate composite functions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below what other topics you'd like for me to review. I upload new videos every day. Don't forget to subscribe and share for your friends and classmates. See you next time.